I have two elderberries that I purchased a couple of years ago. And last year, I was expecting that they would bloom, but they didn't. I have a Johns and a Adams. This one is a Johns, and this one is the Adams. And I was told that you need two different varieties for them to pollinate each other and help each other along, so you'll get a better result if you do that. I had a friend who had told me that these things grow wild everywhere. And before he passed, he was going to get me some. And unfortunately, that didn't happen. But so like I said, I purchased these. But now that these are in bloom, as I drive along the roads, especially near the ditches, I see these distinctive blooms and leaves all along the road. So just like he told me, it is everywhere. So if you're looking for elderberry, and you see some in a space that it's, okay to harvest, you can look for it this time of year. It's around May 20th. So I'm in zone 8A and it may be blooming nearby. Like I said, I purchased this, but I was able to, now that I know what I'm looking for, I see it everywhere. Mine doesn't look as healthy as it could. It's on the very, very back end of my yard, and sometimes I don't water it, and sometimes I don't, fertilize it. It's the beginning of the year. I actually need to put it in the ground, and I'll probably, excuse me, be doing that. But I just wanted to show you this, what it looks like, and as you're out and about in your community, in the rural areas, you may see this, and if it's in an area where it's permissible to do so, you may want to try to harvest some.